Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add a collaborator on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on your story right here, and I'm going to upload an image from my gallery. Wait, I'm going to upload this image, and I'm going to add collaborator to this Instagram story. But before we add collaborator, I'm going to post this Instagram story. So here I'm going to click on your story right here, and then I'm going to add collaborator after the Instagram story has been uploaded. Wait, now the Instagram story is being posted. Hold on guys. Okay, and then I'm going to add collaborator. We can click on the more option, and here we can choose add mentions. Add mentions means add collaborator to our Instagram story so they can repost our story. I'm going to click on add mentions, and we can choose someone we want to collaborate, and I'm going to select this one guys. So this is my second Instagram account, and I'm going to collaborate with my second Instagram account on the story. Okay, I'm going to click on add. Alright, and now the mention has been added, and I'm going to switch to my second Instagram account, this one, and we will get the notification on our Instagram direct messages. So I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages, and as you can see guys, that my first account mentioned me in a story. Tap on that, and we can click on add to your story to collaborate on this Instagram story. Wait, I think my internet connection is not good, so I need to tap on that again. Okay, and then I'm going to click on add to story right here. All right, and if you want to get the full screen, you just need to tap on the image like this, and then before you upload it to your Instagram, you can edit the story. You can add sticker, text, or effect. It's up to you. You can edit the story as creative as you can, and once you're ready to share it, you can click on your story. Okay, and then I'm going to see the collaboration. Wait guys. Okay, it's still loading. All right, and you will be able to see the collaboration right here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add a collaborator on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.